Hello guys, welcome back with another video. Today I will be showing you how to adjust clutch on Kawasaki Z900 2020. Few of my viewers they have questions, adjustment on the clutch, so I'm like, let me go ahead and make a video and show you guys how to do it, because obviously I can't go out and ride because as you can see and I do have a aftermarket clutch levers installed. When you guys install the clutch lever, there is a sensor usually like break if you are not careful. So I have had that broken as well. So I ordered from Revzilla. It came 23 bucks or 30 bucks. And it's very easy to replace. So you just have two little screws there. You can take them off and put it on. But that's the piece that it breaks. See this? See that? So that's the piece usually breaks. And when that happens, if you install your bike and if you try to clutch start, like clutch in and try to turn it on, it's not gonna turn on. It has to be on neutral in order to have the bike turn on. So the clutch adjustment, it can be made here. There's two places you can make the adjustment for the clutch. This one over here, I would recommend using this one. That's the first one I would adjust before I go on the other side of the bike and make an adjustment here. So as you guys can see right here, but usually like this is only minor adjustment you need, especially for newer bikes. You only need few minor like turn or twist, and that should be fine. So I have mine set adjusted perfectly in the position that I like. So I'm gonna turn on the bike and put it on the gear and show you guys where I like mine to be set in and how do you make adjustment and fix those slacks. Home start. It's 20 degrees outside, 25. As you guys can see, it's snowing. It's snowing for like almost a couple hours now. So I like mine to be grip right here. So it's like I don't want to get engaged like right away when you start releasing the clutch, but I have like a little bit of then I can get to feel it, like to see how it has shifted. But I also don't like to have it too far out, so it reaches on the top end. So this is where I like to set mine at. To make adjustment, I'm not gonna mess around with it, but all you need to do is, let me show you guys. Turn this one just to loosen up a little bit, see, just like that, and then make adjustment here. So either you twist it to go in this way or go out that way. So you feel the clutch, just make sure that where you want your clutch to be. So make few adjustments, like make 1 or 2 turns, turn the bike on, and then see how you feel and if you like the feel of the clutch or not. Gauge the clutch like right away. Then you're gonna probably, like when you put it on the gear, the bike will try to jump in. It's gonna be too soon. The engagement would be, the friction will be like right away. So you don't want that, or you also don't want that to be engaged too far on the top end of the clutch, which you can burn the clutch, or maybe you'll have a like slipping of the clutch, which you don't want. So make sure, and that's how you do it. But let me know if you have any questions or concerns. So getting my ECU flash. So soon I'm done with this video, I'm going to take the bike apart to take the ECU out and then sending it to Two Wheels Dyno. They will do the ECU tune for full system. Leo Vinci, full header system. Try to keep the same slip-on, which should fit with the Leo Vinci system. So that's it for now, and this video is in HDR, so hopefully you guys like it. YouTube supports HDR, I know. I'm just giving it a try with my iPhone. So alright guys, thank you so much for subscribing.